University, Indonesia. Standing as one of the oldest departments at Unhas, the Department of Mechanical Engineering was first established on 10 September 1960. It has a long-standing history of providing quality education, with curriculum that offers a strong foundation for students to excel in their careers and ready to compete globally. This department has obtained the National Accreditation Status, Rank A, the highest based on the decision of the National Accreditation Board for Higher Education. With our new campus located at Goa, our students are allowed to have space, fresh air, and the feel of a beautiful atmosphere. The new campus is a wonderful learning environment with dedicated indoor and outdoor learning spaces. As well as technology development through the Center of Technology that instill a love of learning in our students and encourage curiosity. Teaching and learning is at the very heart of what we do as a department. Our vision is to develop an excellent program in obtaining mechanical engineers that capable in research, development of science, technology, and art on energy conversion, mechanical construction, and metallurgy. Our program comprises of 149 of semester credit points with duration of the program in 4 years or 8 semesters. A major part of our teaching and learning activities is focused on student-centered learning and laboratory-based education. With the help of total 30 highly qualified academic staff, the diverse range of teaching methods are used for different learning outcome and context, and none of the courses are acquired exclusively by one method. The learning process is also supported by total 11 well-equipped laboratories, a workshop arena, and 3 laboratories as research laboratories to support the final project. These laboratories support the fundamental theory taught in the classroom. Each laboratory is completed with practicum models, and at each practicum, standard operation procedure has also been established for each laboratory. Other than those laboratories, the department building is also equipped with comfortable classrooms. The department assistance room, which used for consulting assignment from lecturers to students. The Students' Association room for discussions and meetings between students. The department office, which used for consultation and assistance. And internet facilities to support academic interactions. Theaters and computer lab are also available at the faculty building. As a part of Unhas, one of the largest autonomous university in Indonesia, of mechanical engineering can also access tremendous range of other facilities in the main campus. The facilities include libraries, University Sports Center, and University Hospital. Finally, our department will continue to actively support mechanical development and innovation to meet numerous goals, including the needs of society.